To automatically record all calls in the phone app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap record calls. Now tap the gray on off switch next to auto record calls until the switch on screen to turn it on. Tap auto record calls and then select all calls. With the setting, now your phone will automatically record all calls in the phone app. To see recorded calls, tap the back key to go back to the record calls menu. And then tap recorded calls to find all recorded calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.